welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nora, and today I will show you how to make high-end home decor from Dollar Tree items. Animal sculptures from Dollar Tree items, to be precise. But first, if you are new to my channel, I am glad to have you here and would love if you can hit that subscribe button and join this positive, amazing family. For my returning subscribers, I pray so much blessings into your lives. You all are so amazing. Let's get into it. Okay, now, without wasting much of your time, let's get on with one of the easiest Dollar Tree DIY you've ever seen. Yes, and I'm not even kidding. For set 1, I will be using these animal figures I bought from the dollar store, Dollarama to be precise. I think I have seen similar at the Dollar Tree as well. I will also use these wooden Christmas coasters, which I bought from the Dollar Tree for $1.25 per pack of 4. I got these during Christmas period, so yes, they're coming into play right now. I will be gluing these animal figures onto the coasters. I'm yet to decide how I want the placement, so let's keep on. I also will be using these vases, which I got from the thrift store for 95 cents each. So for these figures, I actually got these for $3 each from the dollar store. They come in a pack like this, alongside some acrylic paint and a brush for kids to paint the figures. Okay, but well, I'm gonna keep this for my art student for the children's art club, and yeah, it's gonna come into play sometime down the line. For now, I'm going to paint these animal figures all right, but in an adult way, giving them an adult touch with a high-end look, using my gold metallic spray from Design Master. Link in the description box to where I got this. So once I had them all spray painted, I think I did over 3 coats on this. I allowed them to dry overnight, to dry properly before proceeding with my sculpture setup. Okay, so on to the next. So while the spray paint was drying off on my animal figures, I went ahead to use Gorilla Glue to glue together some of the coasters to create some kind of a stand for my sculptures. So just watch as I complete this. This easy high-end home decor DIY will be part of my Afrocentric home decor DIY series, since it involves animal sculptures which can easily be incorporated into an African decor and African home decor ideas. These high-end home decor from Dollar Tree items are more on the modern side than the traditional side. Hence, a modern African home decor which can be styled or incorporated easily into a contemporary home setting. Link to get this spray paint by Design Masters can be found in the description box below. Also, with the classic gold and black colors, it can easily make the cut for a glam home decor DIY. So I had actually gone ahead and spray painted this black, as well as the bottles that I got from the thrift store, as you can see. So I will go ahead to mount my decor as I had planned. So just watch as I do this. So before we carry on, if you've watched right up to this point, please comment Afrocentric in the comment section below and show your girl some love. You know the drill. Thank you. So the next step was for me to glue these vases onto the wooden platform that I had created with the wooden coasters. So just watch as I do this. When I said this was the easiest Dollar Tree DIY ever, I wasn't joking. So yes, as you can see. So that is basically it. I will go ahead to glue 2 of the animal figures, now turned sculptures, because of course we spray painted it gold. Gold spray paint makes a whole lot of difference. Just look at that. So yes, once I'm gonna have to glue this down onto the stand, so that will be like an entire set by itself. Okay, so just watch as I complete this. Like I had said in my previous videos, Gorilla Glue and E6000 glue usually takes about 24 whole hours to fully cure. So while that was happening, I went ahead to adorn my vases as well as my sculpture for a full look, and that is the final look. Just look at that. A budget-friendly home decor that you can incorporate into your everyday setting, and it looks just as high-end or bougie, if you like to call it that. Yeah, I just love how simple yet elegant this looks. So please do let me know in the comments section your thoughts about this. Also, you can catch up on my last week's video on how I made an African woman sculpture using aluminum foil. So make sure to check that out as well. Link can be found in the description box below. This home decor can actually be used on a side table, a coffee table, you just name it, anywhere you wish to adorn in your home. So this was another setup that I did as well, having all 5 of them lined up together. So let me know how you incorporate this into your home decor. Thank you. So for set number 2, this was supposed to be part of last week's video, as you can see from the change in background or scenery. However, I decided to push this to this week's video as it is more in line with what I had planned for today, and also I did not want to take away from the African woman sculpture and for the reason I was making that video for. So this round wreath, foam wreath, I got them from the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each, and the white ones I got them as a pair for $1.25 each as well. I will go ahead to create some sort of a sculpture with this, abstract sculpture to be precise, and I will spray paint this with a stone, make it stone spray paint that I got from Michaels. This is what it looks like. So it basically gives it some kind of a texture, not a smooth finish, but like a rocky finish. So that is how it looks like, the final look. So I spray painted it black. Since I am keeping the theme black and gold, so it's gonna be all black, as you can see. I will glue the lion onto this, but before I do so, I will use my Mod Podge and this metallic gold leaf, link can be found in the description box, to actually create some kind of a leaf design on this round abstract sculpture. So just watch as I do this. Alternatively, you could use a glue gun to actually draw your design and before applying the metallic leaf. However, I discovered that my glue gun was too hot and would easily melt on the foam. So I decided to use Mod Podge instead. This method with the Mod Podge takes longer, as Mod Podge takes longer to cure. So, but I was in no rush, so I went ahead and used that and allowed it to dry overnight prior to brushing off the excess gold leaf. So just watch as I complete this. So like I had mentioned from the start of this video, this is actually part of my Afrocentric home decor or African home decor or ethnic home decor series. Okay, so if this is something that interests you, make sure to hit that subscribe button and also check out the playlist Afrocentric home decor series on my channel, because there are many more videos like this one. Okay, now back to our final sculpture. So once the Mod Podge was fully dry, I went ahead to use a brush to brush off the excesses on here to reveal our final work. So this is what it looks like for a final touch after I added a lion onto it. I just love how commanding this sculpture looks. It is a very versatile piece, if you ask me. It just looks very commanding, and I love the fact that it is black and gold. So please do let me know in the comments section what your thoughts are about this particular sculpture. Now that is how to make high-end home decor from Dollar Tree items. And so that wraps it up for our high-end African home decor from Dollar Tree items. Please let me know what you think about this DIY and how you will incorporate something like this into your everyday home decor setup. Also, if you enjoyed this modern African decor, please don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on my new videos. In the meantime, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you for watching.